Hi, Susan Heller coming to you from sunny Southwest Florida. Thank you for visiting our video blog today. Our topic will be downsizing. So, sellers are quite often asking, what is the best time to downsize? What is right? And the answer to that question is, what's right for you? If you're thinking about it and you're even asking, it's probably right now. Quite often, sellers are thinking about downsizing and they're not quite ready. They're attached to the home, but it's just too large. They just aren't using all of the rooms or all of the facilities within the community. For example, maybe they were golfing when they first purchased the home, and now they're paying a lot of money in fees for amenities they just don't use. Maybe they were boaters, and now they're paying really high taxes to be in a beautiful waterfront location for a slip that doesn't hold a boat any longer. Maybe time to downsize to get into a smaller home, less maintenance interior, exterior, many great reasons why you would want to downsize. Maybe you want to get into a property up north. You want to get a smaller home up north and a smaller home down here. A lot of folks want to travel more. They want maintenance free in Florida to home base, turn the key and go around the globe. So those are exciting reasons to downsize and to save money. Quite often, financially, it's better to downsize. You can cash out on your equity and you can use it to enjoy life or invest it better. We also see folks who medically need to downsize. They need to get into assisted living. They want to get closer to children, grandchildren, and it's always better to be proactive, to do this sooner rather than later. A move can be stressful, and you want to make that move while you're in good health, while you can make good decisions, and while it's smooth, we want to help you to make that move as easy and enjoyable as possible. Always call Susan and make it a great day.